Recently, online whiteboards have been increasingly used in online workshops and participatory classes. Online whiteboards allow participants to write their thoughts directly on the board or on sticky notes to summarize everyone's thoughts. This video explains how to use the tool in a workshop using Miro, one of the available online whiteboard platforms, as an example. Let's imagine an actual workshop. With Miro, participants can work on the board together by posting sticky notes, writing on them, and moving them around. Let's take a look at the tools you need to know about to participate in a workshop like this. To use Miro, you first need to register an account. Please access Miro's website. Here, you can create an account or sign in with an Office 365, Slack, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID account. When attending a workshop, the administrator or facilitator will usually send you an invitation link. Click on this link to accept the invitation. After that, you will automatically be added to a team. Teams are displayed in the menu on the left. When you select the team, the workshop boards will be displayed under Boards in this team. The Miro board has a main menu on the left and navigation tools on the bottom right. The board itself has a large open workspace, and the navigation tool can be used to see what's on the board and where you are. You can zoom in and out by clicking the plus or minus buttons. Please change it to a size that is easy for you to work. To use a function from the main menu, simply click on the icon of the item or tool you want to use. Select the right option and drag it onto the board. With the Draw tool, it is also possible to directly write or draw on the board. The top icon lets you switch between pan and select mode. When the select mode is activated, your cursor will be displayed as an arrow, and you can select and move objects on the board. Pan mode will allow you to navigate around the board without affecting things on the board. To switch to pan mode, click the top icon. Your cursor will now be displayed as a hand palm. Alternatively, you can also change to pan mode with the spacebar on your keyboard. Hold the spacebar while moving around the board. The most commonly used tools in Workshop are the text entry and sticky note tools. Let's learn how to use these first. To enter text, click on the text icon in the main menu. Then move your cursor to the location you want to type and click to insert a text box. Be sure to type in a font size that is easy for others to see. You can change the font size later by selecting the text. To use a sticky note, click on the sticky note icon. Select a color and drag it to the board. To enter text on a sticky, simply click on it and start typing. The color, shape, and text of the sticky note can be changed using the Customize menu. This will be displayed above the note when you click on it. You can also adjust the size of the sticky by dragging the white dots that appear around it. To move a sticky, click on it and drag it while in select mode. Let's also learn how to draw or add shapes, like circles, rectangles, or stars. To change the color or shape, select the shape to display the Customize menu. Here you can change the shape, color, transparency, borders, and other styles. The Smart Drawing feature can also be used to automatically convert pencil drawings into accurate shapes and connecting lines. Smart Drawing is available by clicking on the pencil icon in the main menu and enabling the option in the submenu. When you add many items on the board, you might want to change the order of the objects. The order can be changed using the Bring to Front or Send to Back options in the Customize menu that appears when selecting an object. You can also use your own images on the board. To add an image from your computer or device, click on the button in the main menu to reveal the sub-menu. From here, select your device to open the Upload window. During the mid-phase of the workshop, it may be helpful if you draw lines or arrows to connect the sticky notes, text, or shapes. To add lines or arrows, click on the Line option in the main menu. Select the desired type and click where you want the line to start. Click again in the location you want the line to finish. You can also change the type and color of the lines and insert shapes and text. In an actual workshop, there are often multiple workspaces called frames within the board. In a typical non-online workshop, multiple whiteboards or posters are often used for multiple tasks. In Miro, multiple frames can be set up within a large board. These frames are usually square-shaped like this, and each frame has a name. When the facilitator tells you, for example, to work in frame 1 or look at frame 1, you need to move to that frame. You can use the pan mode to move around, or you can click on the Frame tool in the lower left corner to show a list of frames on the board. Here, you can select and click on the appropriate frame to move towards it. Finally, let's take a quick look at how these tools are used in combination in an actual workshop. For example, you can do a brainstorming session in which a group writes down ideas on sticky notes, organize them by putting similar ideas together, and summarize them by writing down keywords. When you work in a group, you can see the cursors with the names of your group members, so you can tell what they are working on. If you are interested in learning more about Miro, please visit Miro's website for an introduction to the various functions. Thanks for watching, and we hope that the workshops and classes you attend will be enjoyable and effective.